I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the app and signing into your Google account so surveys link to your profile. Once done, grant location and notification permissions because many surveys target places you visit. This increases opportunities. Complete the initial demographics honestly to get matched surveys that matter. Make sure to enable notifications so you don't miss short, time-sensitive polls. These first steps prime the app to deliver relevant surveys and to credit rewards quickly when you finish. You'll see surveys pop up periodically. Respond promptly because many expire. Once a survey appears, answer honestly and keep responses consistent to avoid disqualification. For more local merchant or visit-based questions, make sure location accuracy and history are on so the app can verify visits. Check the Survey History and Earnings tab to track credits. This helps you spot patterns and the best times you get surveys. Over time, daily checks increase your total rewards and survey frequency. When you accumulate credit, redeem it in Google Play for purchases or downloads. Credits apply instantly once added. If a completed survey didn't show credit, first confirm the app had notifications and location permissions active at the time, then reopen the app and check history. If the issue persists, capture screenshots of submission confirmation and use the app's support option to report the missing reward. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most credit disputes quickly when you provide clear evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.